ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੂਰਜ ਫਿੱਕਾ ਜਾਪਦਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੀ ਅੱਗ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਟੀ ਬੋਟੀ ਪੁੱਜ ਗਏ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਨੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਜੱਗ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਨੂੰ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾ ਬੈਠੇ, ਉਹਨੇ ਅਸਾਂ ਨਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੈਰ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੱਥੀਂ ਉਜੜਿਆ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ। ਸਾਡੀ ਮੰਜ਼ਲ ਦੂਰ ਦਰਾਡੜੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਹਾਂ ਲੰਬੇ ਰਾਹ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੈਣੀ ਗੋਤਿਆਂ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਬਾਹਾਂ।
Sometimes it's good to be alone. Gives you a chance to reflect on where you've been. See, the truth is, the brain doesn't know the difference between what you imagine to have happened and what actually happens to you. So as you're trying to build a better tomorrow, it's important to go into the future and see the person you want to be and the work that it's going to take for you to be that person.
So you want to be normal. So you just want to be like everybody else that roams the world, not knowing the power that's in them. Being fine with being mediocre.
About the destination. It's about the journey. Every drop of sweat, every ounce of effort, and every struggle you endure in the gym is a testament to your commitment to bettering yourself. You're not just building muscle, you're building character. You're not just lifting weights, you're lifting limitations. Every rep, every set is a step closer to the best version of yourself. So when you're in the gym, remember that it's not just about what you're doing, it's about who you're becoming. Embrace the challenge, push through the pain, and know that with every workout, you're one step closer to greatness.
किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है कि जरूरी नहीं कि हर कोई आपको समझ पाए। तराजू सिर्फ वजन बता सकता है, मयार नहीं। मेरे पास अब खामोशी के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं। मैं बात करता हूं तो बात बिगड़ जाती।
शेर को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि शिकार कैसे करते हैं नैरोबी। इस खेल के तो हम पुराने खिलाड़ी हैं।
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left, 'cause I've been blasting and laughing.
जिम किसी के लिए जरूरत है, किसी के लिए अय्याशी है और किसी के लिए मोहब्बत है। तीसरे वाला मैं हूँ।
एडिट करके तूने इमेज मेरा मीम बना दिया, मेहनत करके तेरे भाई ने पूरा ड्रीम बना दिया।
Hello. You?
हम खुद तराशते हैं मनाजिल के संग मील, हम वो नहीं हैं जिनको जमाना बना के।
वक्त से पहले हादसों से लड़ा हूं मैं, अपनी उम्र से काफी बड़ा हूं मैं।
Steht immer alleine da, also weint euch selbst nicht hinterher, sondern reißt euch am Riemen und gebt alles, was ihr könnt.
If you don't have the motivation to go to the gym, always remember this quote. If the mind can dream, you're a bitch.
I'm going to be testing how many reps I can get on 80. And I have my cameraman here. We've got about 17. I can let you know when we're done. Keep it real, Bo. I love you. We'll be testing how many reps we can get. Do you have any motivational words?
In this world we need corruption or the river will flow.
Can you sing it?
No.
Can you sing it?
I mean, you sing it. No, we can't.
That was 2 reps because Bo Wood distracted me. Can you just flip it to Bo Wood? Can you flip it to Bo Wood actually? Interview on Bo Wood coming soon. Follow for What I don't know actually.
No if karida, no but karida, kam yaran da ni billo chat pat karida, pehl karidi ni dooj too much karida, had dukhda sayali jehda touch karida, no if karida.
100 बार चमन महका 100 बार बहार आई दुनिया की वही रौनक दिल की वही तन्हाई नशा पिला के गिराना तो सबको आता है मजा तो तब है कि गिरते को थाम ले सब
Estoy trabajando en 3 cosas en este momento, en mí mismo, mi vida y mi paz. Así que si no estás contribuyendo hacia cualquiera de los 3, respetuosamente, no me molestes.
I wanted to vanish so completely that even I would not remember me. No feelings, no memories, just the freedom of oblivion.
भूख सी दिल में उठती है एक दर्द जिगर में होता है हम रात को उठ उठ रोते हैं जब सारा आलम सोता
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की
7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up. All the way up. Come on. Show me. Bring it up. Bring it up. Up higher. Hold it there now. 80 reps. 80 reps. Now fight. Kick me in the face! Get mad at me! Kill me! Come on! One more rep. One more rep. Go. Right here. All the way up. All the way up. Hold it there. Hold it there. Put tension here. Put tension there. Now fight me. Fight me harder. 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 Come on, David. You're just getting started now. Come on. Push. 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 Okay. That's 1 set.
अगर किसी चीज की लत पड़ जाए तो वो लत आदमी की पहचान बन जाती है
पहचान ही तो बनानी है ना सर और इस शहर में करना ही क्या है
चाहे वो रास्ता गलत ही क्यों ना
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा मान जाएगी
some feelings, oh I believed it. Still remember that time we stayed up all night, talked about your past. You told me about some guy who ain't treat you right, said he fucked up your life. That's why you did me wrong, but that don't make it right. Are you ever gonna stop blaming the way that you act on scars of your past? Am I ever gonna stop trying to love someone who don't love me back? Still I don't understand why God would put you in my plan. I know you.
कुछ दर्द ऐसे भी मिले जिंदगी में जिन्होंने जान भी ले ली और जिंदा भी छोड़ दिया
The worst thing that you could do to yourself is not become the person that you could be in this lifetime.
और हर कोई फंसा हुआ है वक्त की जंजीरों में हर कोई हंसता है फकत तस्वीरों में
You have actually changed my life. When I was in a place of darkness, you showed me the way to light. Because of you, I found brotherhood and a sense of purpose. We don't go to the gym to lift weights. We go because the weights lift us. Your gym, you have...
रात भर करे आँखें मेरी ये मेरी आए जो तेरी यादें रुक रुक चले सांसें मेरी
Everyone must choose one of 2 pains. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret.
Hear me. I promise you this. In 6 months, I will make you fucking proud.
waiting such a long time for this. To come up against someone who could have killed me.
Let me fight one more time.
Wake your ass up because it's time to go beast mode. No pain, no gain. You don't get after it. Be harder, better, stronger. Move a whole lot faster with urgency. Can't be average with the skills, gotta master it. I must be cut from a different club, never see my fabric. Yesterday was leg day, about to hit chest. Crush your weight to the treadmill, tell me what's next. Booty get off it, just a process, be the best. Less stressful.
Who the fuck are you calling delusional? Every day I wake up, I'm working on what you're dreaming about, bitch.
जिंदगी में ना हमेशा दो लोगों को परेशान देगा। कौन? एक वफादार, दूसरा मुखलिस। बाकी मुनाफिक तो हर जगह फिट हो जाएगा।
He's a pretty good guy, but stresses over everything. Doesn't sleep all that much, but will go out of his way to help anyone. If you ask him how he is, his answer will always be, I'm all right. Think about this. Why do we close our eyes when we pray, cry, kiss, or dream? Because the most beautiful things in life are not seen but felt by the heart.
पहचान ही तो बनानी ना सब, और शहर में करना ही क्या है?
चाहे वो रास्ता गलत ही क्यों हो।
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा बन जाएगी।
One more time before I go. Higher powers taking hold on me.